before now is not as important as what we have to do now. If somebody doesn't die, you cannot inherit him. That is the truth. This APC must die so that PDP can inherit him. If your father is alive, he can only dash you something, you cannot inherit him. But when it's late, you will inherit him. If nothing was wrong with the Old Testament, there won't be a need for a New Testament. The old change is going to give way for a new change. But let me tell you, these things will not come cheap. When we were young, my father taught us how to kill snake. He says after killing the snake, because even if you don't do what I'm telling you now, if you put the snake inside fire, after 24 hours, it will still shake his body. So you cut the head of the snake and cut the small tail at the back. So you leave the body in the middle. So when you put it inside fire, it will not shake. These people must go. I said they must go. Most of us here should endeavor to return home. Now the coast is clear. The coast is clear. We should leave Abuja and go back to our various states and transfer this victory to the grassroots. I've greeted some people here. While I was greeting them, I said, you are always in Abuja. I was able to tell them here because I don't know how to deceive somebody. If this party must win, if this party must get its confidence or the confidence of Nigerians back, if this party must be restored, our leaders must go home and stop being Abuja politicians. Lastly, I want to appreciate Mr. President, our former president. I know God Almighty, with a new PDP coming in 2019, you will be honored more than ever before. I said you will be honored more than ever before. I have never seen a president that has worked like you. But you call a dog a bad name only to hang him. The tomorrow of this party is very great if we all put our hands on deck and work for it. Congratulations once again and God bless you all.